This acquisition has been described as an aggressive way to bolster growth. Why do you think Capco will deliver those higher returns?
It was very clear for us in our strategy that, it was time for us in the market where we are in, where most of the industries are driving large transformation program to leverage the power of technology to really gain, in performance, in better access to customers and so on. It was the time for our industry to accelerate the pace of growth. For us at Wipro, we have positions in, pretty much all industries and geographies, but we felt the need to increase our position and reinforce our position in the biggest markets. We had already a significant position in America, but the American market is huge and continues to grow well. But we had also a decent position in Europe, but certainly behind some of our competitors. And I felt that it was time for us to really make a bold move in Europe as well. From an industry standpoint, the banking, financial services, and insurance sector is our number one market. And we had made clear to the analysts and investors back in, autumn of last year that our priority was to build on our strengths and reinforce our position in this sector. The FSI sector is a third of the market of the business of Wipro. So with this acquisition, we clearly gain in scale. We reinforce our position in the American, but also in the key European markets. We get a better position as an advisor, as a transformation partner for our customers. And we really complement our series of services, if you like, provided to our clients. So for all this reason, it just makes us stronger, bigger impact.
A lot of people would have questions about the lack of a services deal with Europe from the British and a lack of a trade deal with the United States and the British as well. You don't seem to have any concerns on that front as well. You think the UK is actually a great launch pad for both of those key markets, both North America and indeed Western Europe.
Yeah, Capco is headquartered in the UK, but has presence in many countries, not only in the UK. It has strong presence in France, in Germany, in Nordics, in Switzerland, in addition to America, and some countries in Asia. There is no question that, we've been living in the context of a macroeconomy slightly disrupted over the years, but the need for technology to address some of those challenges has not slowed it down. And our market in the UK, by the way, since you are asking me specifically about this market, has been growing tremendously over the last quarters. So no, I don't see a risk of, the complexity of the macro environment to drive in the short term a slowdown in transformation. The companies have learned over the last 12 months with the pandemic that, if they were not investing in their technology, if they were not transforming their organization, they were actually gonna even suffer more from the crisis. And so it's, a very unfortunate context for the world. It is a context where, companies have to transform.